How to get donation in your Twitch account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get donation in your Twitch account. So in order to get donation in your Twitch account, first of all, you could either go ahead and set up your donation in your Twitch account, or else as a streamer, you could go ahead and ask your viewers to donate directly to your uh, directly to you by using the email address associated with your own PayPal account or Amazon Pay, whatever. You could also simply set up a PayPal.me link, which streamlines the entire process. So if you want to go ahead and set up a donation, then you could go ahead and go to your profile and then go to channels. As you go to the channel, then go to settings and then go ahead and set up a donation platform where they could go ahead and donate you. So this way you could go ahead and add a panel or get a donation. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.